air, air,
hair,
square,
pear,
hair, hair,
square, square,
pear, pear,
chair, chair,
hair, hair, share, share,
Scare, scare.
stare, stare,
Pair of shoes, pair of shoes.
hairbrush, hairbrush,
Bear, bear.
tear, tear,
Drop the C from chair, it's hair so fair. Drop the H from hair, it's air everywhere. A bunny hops, a bear sits there. A pear so sweet, a brush for hair. Breathing fresh air with friends we share.
Let's go question and answer.
What's something you can sit on that sounds like hair? Is it a comfy chair, a juicy pear, or a cuddly bear?
Correct. Answer comfy chair.
Which of these can you pick from a tree and take a big bite out of? Is it a yummy pear, a fluffy bear, or a sturdy chair?
Correct answer. A yummy pear.
What invisible thing do we breathe that fills up the sky? Is it the fresh air, the twirling hair, or the sweet pear?
Correct answer. The fresh air.
Learn more, subscribe. Thanks for watching.